The Brother INKvestment 4355 Wireless is the ultimate game changer for home office and small business owners who need a reliable, all-in-one printer that can keep up with their workflow. Imagine having one compact printer that can print, copy, scan, and fax, all at lightning-fast speeds of up to 20 pages per minute, black and 19 ppm color. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This baby can handle it all, making it perfect for home offices and small businesses where space is limited. But what really sets the Brother INKvestment apart is its wireless connectivity options. You can interface with your printer on your wireless network or via USB, giving you the flexibility to work however you want. Plus, Wi-Fi Direct allows you to print wirelessly even without an external network connection. No hassle, no fuss. One of the most impressive features of this printer is its ability to connect directly to popular cloud apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. With a 1.8-inch color display that enhances clarity and ensures effortless operation, printing and scanning have never been easier. But wait, there's more. The Brother INKvestment also boasts automatic duplex printing, which means you can print on both sides of the paper without having to do it manually. This feature alone is a total game changer for anyone who prints frequently. And let's not forget about the paper tray and ADF, 150 sheets worth of storage space, and a single-sided automatic document feeder that lets you scan up to 20 pages at a time. It's like having an entire office assistant built right into your desk. But what really gets me excited is the printer's ability to monitor its ink usage via page gauge, so you know exactly when it's running low. No more surprise ink costs or wasted paper. This feature alone saves me hours of time and money in the long run. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this printer worth it? Absolutely. The Brother INKvestment 4355 Wireless is a powerhouse that can handle even the most demanding workloads with ease. And with its advanced features like Wi-Fi Direct and automatic duplex printing, it's the perfect solution for anyone who needs a reliable, all-in-one printer that can keep up. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take your productivity to the next level with the Brother INKvestment 4355 Wireless. Click the link below to get yours today.